Hello everyone. So this is another of my school projects I did in 2016. Unfortunately, I can't show more than two drawings of this project. It was a conference center. Uh, I did go back to my school to get some of my old drawings. My school is located in Osun State, Nigeria. I did go back to my school because we submitted all these projects while in school, but I couldn't find some of my drawings. So I just found only two sheets, just two drawings for this uh, project. I also found the section and the roof plan. I thought I might just share that. Um, so this was a conference center, and this is the section showing the conference center. Um, I did like the title block. I thought it was nice. I did use ink pen to draw this. Uh, for the lighter lines, I used a 0.1 or 2, and for the thicker lines, I used a 0.5 for that. And these bolder lines that are very legible, I used a marker for that. Um, and they have this nice title block which has uh, the name of the school, which is the client Joseph Ayababla University, and got my name, Department of Architecture, matric number, and then the conference center, which is the project title in bold. My mentors were, yeah, these names. The scale was 1:200. That's why the walls are very thin, the lines, because it's scale 1:200. And this was done in 2016. And then you can see the these hash lines represent the clouds, the sky. Some of my other, I used to include the bird flying, but this one I didn't include that. And there you can see vegetation. You can see trees, added small grassland vegetation around the building. And then we have this beautiful section which has about 4 floors, and then it has different levels. So from the entrance, it has one level, then you step down to the conference hall, and then to the stage. That's for the ground floor. You have the lobby, you have the business center, you have the convenience stairs. I did like how I simplified the doors and the windows. I didn't go into much details because it's in scale 1:200 anyway, so you don't want to show much details on that scale, much details. And then on the second floor, you have the general office, retail shop, convenience, stairwell, and the void, very open space. The third floor, you have your bedroom, lobby, bedroom, stairs, bedroom, lobby, bedroom, laundry. On the last floor, you have your bedroom, you have your lobby, you have your bedroom, stairs, lobby, bedroom, lobby. And then we have our nice, I did like this barrel roof, very curved at the top, and then supported by a column. And then we have also our curved roof here, and then our hip roof, I think, over here. So I can only show two sheets. So this is the first sheet, and then the second one is just the roof plan, where you can see uh, the barrier roof. I did hash the lines closer to show the curvature of the barrier roof. At the edges here is closer compared to the middle here that's wider, to show the roof curves. Also around here too, you can see that the lines are a bit closer, showing the curvature, and as well here too. Then here it slopes to this side, this slopes to this side, and then we have a nice beautiful courtyard in the middle, and then also another barrel at the back, and then I did this graphic line to just give it, for aesthetic reasons, I did this overlapping, lines. Then you have your section line cutting through. Yeah, so that's it for this project. It's a conference center. um yeah, I wish I had more drawings, but just wanted to share this. Hope you enjoy watching. I'll talk to you guys later. And this is the other sheet. All right, cheers, thanks for watching, bye bye.